Welcome back to the show, SK. I'm here by myself, and the reasons are, well, classified. Which means we should take this very smooth segue right into some senior-only news. Do you want to come in early on Wednesdays? Do you want to come in after school late on Fridays? If not, you must have all your required Zella lessons done by next Friday. If not, you can just say see ya to all those Friday nights. If you're interested in applying for the shipyard after graduation, you're in luck. There are entry positions available, and if you apply now, you can get hired by the summer. Go ahead and talk with Mrs. Nass in the Career Center for more info. Did you catch all that?
Are you crazy? There's a fire!
And this doesn't just apply to having loud music. If you have noise cancellation on, it can be hard to tell if someone is trying to talk to you. Let's take Reese Wilson. She doesn't have earbuds constantly in, and she can definitely hear what's going on around her. Isn't that right, Reese? Wait. See? So be like Reese. Also, don't forget to cheer on the dance team. Last night, basketball faced Bellarmine. Ladies C team was the only team to come away with a win of 46-33. Both men's and ladies have their last home games tomorrow and Saturday, which will be broadcasting. And if you want to be a part of our broadcast, please contact Mr. Pickard or Swagger ASAP. We need commentators for both games. Also, if you have already talked to Swagger about volunteering for tomorrow's and Saturday's games, please come and see him today. He needs to give you a video badge. Spring sport registration is now open. Sports going on are track and field, baseball, fast pitch, men's soccer, ladies tennis, and ladies water polo. If you're looking to play, make sure you have a current physical in file or go get one. The clubs meeting today are art, ceramics, DECA, German, Japanese, and yearbook. As for tomorrow, there is Mandarin Plus and Builders of Unity. To talk about Builders of Unity, let's go down to Josh.
Hey, thanks. I'm down here by the salmon tank in the Science Hall where Builders of Unity will be meeting tomorrow to start a series on 7 inspiring activists for social justice. They will view and discuss how these young students have made a difference from LGBTQ support to fighting the closure of Black and Hispanic schools to even global warming. They prove you don't have to be a leader to make a difference. They'll meet in room 228. Everyone is welcome to join, so why not bring a friend? Back to you guys at the studio.
Thanks, Josh. And for those of you that forgot, there is a 24/7 live stream of the salmon tank on YouTube. Watching those little guys swim around, it's peaceful. Finally, we have another bus ride update. Route 23 is running today and tomorrow. Routes 3 and 34 are still canceled this week. That's the end for today. See you later, SK.